In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Metatrader 5 history. Before we dive in, it's important to understand how history works in Metatrader 5 and what you can and can't remove. MT5 shows you two kinds of information: what's stored locally on your computer and what's stored on your broker's server. Your closed orders and deals, the records you see in the history section, are primarily kept by your broker. MT5 is just displaying those records. It doesn't own or control them. That means you cannot permanently delete your trade history from inside MT5. If you're looking at the History tab in the toolbox on desktop or the History tab on mobile, those closed trades are server-side records. You can change how much of that history you see or how it's presented, but you can't erase the broker's official data through the platform. If your goal is simply to clean up what you're seeing, filtering is the way to go. On MT5 for desktop, open the toolbox and switch to the History tab. Right-click anywhere in the list and choose what you want to display. All history will show everything available from the broker. Last month narrows it to a recent window, which is helpful for quick reviews. Custom period lets you pick exact dates so you can focus on a specific time frame, like a quarter or a strategy test period. If you need a clean snapshot, choose Save as Report and export it to HTML or Excel. That gives you a tidy document for analysis, taxes, or sharing without changing the underlying records. On mobile, you can view and filter the history list as well, but again, you're not deleting the data, just changing the view. If what you really want is to make MT5 itself feel brand new, you can remove your local data on Windows. Uninstall Metatrader 5 from Control Panel under Programs and Features, select Metatrader 5, and during the uninstall, check the option to delete user personal data. After uninstalling, you can optionally go to the App Data /Roaming folder and remove the MetaQuotes directory. This wipes local charts, settings, logs, cached history files, indicators, expert advisors, and templates. Before you do this, consider backing up anything custom you want to keep, like templates or EAs. To wrap up, remember, your trade history is controlled by the broker's server, not by MT5. Clearing local data won't change your official trading records. For most people, filtering by period and exporting a report is all you need to keep your workspace clean and your reporting straightforward.